Hi bro, this is the element 14 bro, for this oven. This oven, as you can see, this is oven, and this is the heating element inside. Alright, as you can see, there's a heating element, and the behind portion, this is the behind portion. As you can see, there's a 3 element which is coming up. This one, 1, 2, 3, so, and also on the side also, left and right. So this is the one. This is how it's look like. This one is a blower fan, so not connected at all. So blower fan is actually working. Alright, only the heating element is faulty. And now we will measure the things. Okay, now we measure one by one. Okay, the upper one is showing 32 ohm. The down is 32 ohm, 33, 32. Mega. Okay. The first one is showing the mega lah.